Hello, dear friends. I welcome you to my video, and this is Lalit. As I came here in this beautiful environment, I would like to say this is heaven to me, as I always find peace here. This place is so quiet. There are only birds' sound. Seeing this, a thought came, arised in my mind that why we people are so tensed, so worried about future, whatever we think we have, we are always worried about it. We are not satisfied with that. If I talk about myself, I was also like other people, that I was worried that what will happen in the future. There is no future in life. There is only present in front of us, with us. It up to us that how we can take or leverage this moment. Either we are going to die one day without happiness, without joyful, without enjoying our life. It's really up to us. It is not in Almighty's hand, not other people's hand, not this nature's hand. It is up to us that how we can live this life. Here, in front of me, as I showed you, beginning in the starting of this video, there is so calmness, trees, beautiful nature, crops, land, ways. I say we must be obliged, and we are so blessed, highly blessed, that we have all these things in front of us and we are enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. I don't know about others. People just keep thinking about future, about money, about family. Stop it. Just be this nature. Whatever is going to happen, it will happen. No one can stop it. And we must be thankful to the God. We must say, thank you, God, that you have given us, blessed us with this beautiful everything here. Oh my God, what a beautiful sound of birds. I just say, don't think that I don't have money, I don't have proper life, stuff. Whatever you have, you must be happy with that. Enjoy your life with that. As we all know this, that whatever we have, we must be enjoying our life with that. I always share my experience, whatever I think. Right now, seeing all these things, whatever came into my mind, I'm just telling you, sharing with you. But the feeling, the joy I'm having right now, it is beyond from everything. Really. It is so nice. I also say thank you to God, that God, you gave me this much, you blessed me this much beautiful life. Now it's up to me that how I want to live it. You just see the surroundings of beautiful nature here. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Let's see you in next video. Till then, bye. Enjoy life with the nature. We must be happy with everything, I just say. But keep on trying to be more happy. The wealth, the treasure of life is happiness. Health and happiness, I just say. Bye, friends. Goodbye. Take care and let's see you in next video.